Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I appreciate your time. Thank you so much for watching. Today's video is brought to us by TriStar Trading. Our friends over at TriStar Trading have fantastic swag, t-shirts, hats, belts, all kinds of cool things, and that's where you're going to get the official Guns and Gadgets shirts and patches. Use our link down below. TriStar Trading is the place to be. Thank you to TriStar Trading for being a fantastic friend to not only me, but also my wife and kids. And that means something to me. Guys and gals, great people behind TriStar Trading. Check them out, link down below. Also helps this channel, and that will help boost my relocation fund, because that is in high gear right now. Today I want to tell you about a letter that was sent to the president from some, let's face it, some communist members in our Congress who are upset that our rights to keep and bear arms cover personally made firearms. So they wrote to the president and they're trying to urge him to do something immediately. Check it out. Now this letter was penned to Biden from Rashida Tlaib. That says enough, and she's got some other people co-signing it with her. But it says, "Dear President Biden, we want to first thank you for your commitment to protecting our communities and for being a staunch ally to the cause of gun violence prevention. With the passing of the bipartisan Safer Communities Act and the appointment of Mr. Dettelbach to the ATF directorship, our country is already safer than it was weeks ago." In mid-2018, the Trump administration broke a federal law by allowing a small weapons technology company to post blueprints for a 3D printed gun, which is also referred to as a ghost gun due to its lack of a serial number and regulation. By the end of 2019, a federal judge had ruled that this deal indeed violated the Federal Administrative Procedure Act and the Constitution. However, 3D printed weaponry is not included in the Department of State's munitions list in the U.S. Code. At the moment, it is illegal to own a ghost gun. Is it? No, it's not. However, because the 3D printed codes can be legally distributed, Americans can legally manufacture the parts and create their own illegal gun that is completely untraceable and incredibly dangerous. Okay. These weapons continue to pose a threat to the safety of our schools, stadiums, places of worship, and other gathering places within our communities. This is why we are strongly advocating for 3D printed firearms to be added to the Department of State's munition list in the U.S. Code. As of today, the federal government's official stance condones the development of these homemade deadly weapons without any barriers standing between potentially violent individuals and an untraceable weapon. Anyone with access to a 3D printer can download this code, print a gun, and cause incredible harm. This phenomenon has been the cause of mass shootings and daily violence across the country, and will continue to occur if nothing is done. Not only is adding 3D printed guns to the munitions list a common sense measure with wide appeal, it's an action that doesn't have any congressional red tape in its way. The Biden administration can take immediate, life-saving action without cost and protect our communities by amending the State Department's munitions code, making sure that these lethal blueprints are not available to the public. Sincerely, Rashida Tlaib, Jamal Bowman, Adriano Espaillat, Andre Carson, Ann Kirkpatrick, Bonnie Watson Coleman, and of course, Sheila Jackson Lee. Now, of course, it's rhetoric. It's unconstitutional what she is suggesting. The right to keep and bear arms protects our right to make our own firearms. And one thing that she mentioned in that, these guns are making like stadiums and all that stuff unsafe. A, it's a lie, but B, firearms keep us safe. And that's to include stadiums and places of worship. An armed populace, armed good guys and good gals with a gun, definitely keep people safe. In fact, if you watch the video I did about the FBI caught lying about how many times a good guy or gal with a gun has stopped an active shooting incident, it's going to make you see things a little different. You should really watch that video and share it and use those talking points, because it destroys all of this rhetoric in this letter right now. Good guys and good gals with guns last year, in 2021 alone, stopped 49.1%, I believe it was, 49.1% of incidents where there was an active shooting. We stopped it. not waiting for somebody to arrive, the cavalry, not begging for Congress to take action. Good guys and gals with guns did it. And for some reason, they want to take away that right from us. And here she's asking for an administrative action to take 3D printed guns and move them to the munitions list, thereby making them illegal. Let me know what you guys and gals think about this here on your Saturday morning. And guys and gals, have a fantastic day. I want to thank you again. I can't thank you enough. I've said it several times. Thank you for supporting this channel. It is because of you that this channel has grown, that word is getting out, that I get to go on two places that I would never have a chance to go before. And it's because of you all, the size of the audience, and the support and the love that you give this family here. And believe me, it does not go unnoticed, and I don't know how I'll ever repay you all. But I will keep bringing you the news every single day, and I hope that you keep watching. Until we see each other again, be safe, stay vigilant, and carry a gun to keep you, your friends, your family, your community safe. That's what it's for, and that's what we're going to use it for until the end of time. All right, guys, take care.